Hello everyone, they will do stretching on our splits, and now I will show you good exercises which help you to stretch your split and feel your body. So let's start with me. So first exercise which we will do, we will working with our legs. So I will get seat, take my legs and start pushing my legs on ourselves and slowly down. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now trying to change side. So I will take on the floor and myself. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Amazing work. And now trying to do on another side. So take on ourselves slowly down. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Change side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After this working, I will slowly go down and working his leg. Take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And take our legs and pushing 1, back. 2, 3, 4, 5. And working with 1 leg. Take it. 1 and strong. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and change leg. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the last one 5. Okay, after that we'll try to take strong work on ourselves and back. 2 and 3, 4 and 5. Good work. Working in another side slowly on the floor and on. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Good work. Working with another leg. So slowly on the floor. Back. 2 and 3. Careful. 4 and 5. And change the side slowly on the floor. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Amazing work. Then you slowly go down and trying to take legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and stretch back legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Slowly get back and force it to relax slowly. You go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then we will do another exercises and let's start.